What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. HBAR update coming at you guys live. This is where we're getting into Hedera, and we're going to talk about how the Hedera Hashgraph has drawn attention to a lot of the innovative applications of its distributed ledger technology, DLT for short. We're going to get down into that. We're not going to talk too much about price. I know what's going on with HBAR. We're going to share with you guys what's inside the crypto bubbles as well as kind of the market, as we have kind of seen a red day across the board in the markets. I'm going to give you guys my take as always, and we'll get you on your way. So a couple minutes of your time. Appreciate you all watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get down into it, okay? So this is what we have going on, all right? So we'll dive into the crypto bubbles. And you can see right now as we hit midweek, this is where we have a mixed bag, right? A couple cryptos, most notably Cardano and Kronos, defying the market as outliers, all right? But across the board outside of Bitcoin, they are now only up 1.6%. So we have seen a lot of correction in the market, and that's to be expected, guys. I'm not going to sound the alarm. I'm not going to pump the brakes. I'm not going to quit trading. This is a red day, and let's just treat it as such, right? We're allowed to have red days, all right? Even back in 2021 and 2017, there were red days. I think we were running a little bit too hot. I'm very bullish on the outlook, judging by what's going on with the presidential-elect, Donald Trump, and some of the outlying policies that will be kind of put into place when he does take office. Most pro-crypto regime that we're going to see in Washington. Very excited about that. If you're outside the United States, you should be as well, because I do see other nations following suit. And that is further exemplified by the Bitcoin surplus that we do see even in China, one of the more regulated crypto nations in the world. All bets are on, okay? And that's kind of where I'm at. That's how I feel. And if you have any varying comments, please feel free to leave them down below in the comments box. But super bullish, and I want to get back into the technology for HBAR that I came to share with you guys. First, I know it's a bad day, but we're going to still talk about it. Good days, bad days, and indifferent, we still bring up the price levels, and that's where HBAR right now is down almost 10%, trading at 12.41 on the chart. So it has been a great week, up 105%, doubling in price, and we're going to celebrate that, okay? We're not going to let a 10% downer kind of get in our way of where we're going to, okay? And please remember, though, guys, what I tell you in this video is just my thoughts. It's not to be confused with financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence, okay? But before we get into the HBAR technology, I want to share with you guys the exchange that I'm partnered with. This is Bitfi, all right? Build your dream finance. That is kind of their mantra. And that's exactly what you can do with them. Spot trading fees are zero, and they do have a very exciting promotion going on right now. And if you do trade futures, that's what I use for Bitfi. Build your dream finance with them. It's one of my favorite exchanges. And if you do trade futures, make sure you take advantage of my link down below, because what that does is it will give you 10% cash back right in your account on your deposit, up to $1,000 cash back. So take advantage of that. That's one of the hottest deals going right now in crypto. Make sure it's the right decision for you financially. And if you want to start trading today on Bitfi, sign up down below in that link, okay? But back into the HBAR technology, all right, and what we have seen with these applications of their DLT, we can get really into this mindset, because this is something as we look into Ed Marquez, all right, the head of developer relations for HBAR, and recently announcing a major upgrade to the consensus layer that will increase its performance. Now, this upgrade will be linked to block nodes. It's a blockchain platform that can handle over 10,000 TPS, and this is something where most have speculated that this number could increase to 500,000 in the future. Now, that's a huge, huge upgrade, all right? And as we look into kind of the initiative right now that is going to redefine accessibility in the investment space, we've talked about it time and time again till we're blue in the face about how the tokenization of real-world assets, the RWA. That's kind of how HBAR and other cryptos are really starting to move forward into the new era of crypto. And I think Hedera is really drawing that attention in terms of what they're doing in their innovative adaptations and applications into their DLT, okay? So that's being the big story. As the firm integrates tokenization into its offerings, this is where the expected valuation is expected to reach $4 trillion, okay? $4 trillion. Now, that's something that's just going to be absolutely insane as we look into RWA developing. And this is a timeline where it would be the next cycle, right? If history does repeat and we do get another cycle in 4 years, by 2030, $4 trillion, okay? So if you hold HBAR, there's reasons to be bullish. There's also reasons not to be bullish. But more so, I don't pump sunshine here on the channel. So when I do talk about crypto, I tell it to you guys how it is. But I will tell you that what they're doing on the RWA AWA stand front is something that's very, very bullish in terms of where HBAR is going to be in the next 5 years, okay? I know they're not the flashy new car that's going to go up 1,000% like we're seeing some of these cartoons, these meme coins. It's different, okay? HBAR is built different, and if you are invested for the long haul, keep that in mind, because that is something where as we get through this market, and if this cycle continues, this is where we're going to have a lot of bumps along the road. Like today, we are down 10%. It's not a reason to pound the alarm. It's not a reason to sell all your HBAR and run for the hills, okay? I'm never going to tell you to buy or sell a crypto. All I can say right now is that there's reasons to be bullish about Hedera, and these updates are just another stepping stone along the way of their roadmap that I do see them being one of the more winners of this cycle and beyond. So that's my update. Appreciate you guys watching. Get you on your way. If you haven't done so, make sure you all subscribe down below. Smash that like button, and feel free, if you got any nuggets or anything noteworthy that you want me to talk about within HBAR, feel free to drop me a line down below in the comments. Appreciate you guys as always. Make sure you take advantage of that sign up link within Bitfi down below in the description as well. And I look forward to seeing you guys all in the next video. Cheers.